Hey guys, how's going on? Welcome back to Higospot channel. As we all know, iPhone 7 or iPhone 7 Plus still works very well even today, so you probably won't leave it unused completely. When you forgot the passcode or some of you guys mistakenly enter the wrong passcode multiple times in a row, it shows iPhone unavailable on the lock screen after iOS 15.2 or later update. Worry not. In this video, we'll show you 3 ways how to unlock your unavailable iPhone without using iTunes. Now, let's dive in. As you can see, I get an iPhone 7 Plus in my hand and it says iPhone unavailable on the screen. Depending on how many times you guess the passcode, your iPhone will show iPhone unavailable in 1 minute, 5 minutes, 15 minutes, or longer time. If your device has upgraded to iOS 15.2 or later, you'll see the Erase iPhone option on the bottom right corner on the screen. Tap on it. It will tell that the iPhone is in security lockout. You can reset it to factory settings to bypass the iPhone unavailable message, or you can try again your passcode in 15 minutes. Because you don't remember your passcode, tap Erase again, then enter in your Apple ID and password to sign out. In seconds, you can see the Apple logo and progress bar on the screen. That means it starts to factory reset the device completely. All your message, contact, apps and other data on the iPhone will be erased. Once it finished, the Hello screen appears. Press the Home button, follow the instruction on the screen to set up your phone until you reach the apps and data screen. If you have a backup data before, here you can choose to restore data from iCloud or a computer. Complete the following steps, enter the new passcode, you'll get to the home screen. Now your iPhone is available. All these look great, but some of you may find there's no Erase iPhone option on the screen, or the Erase option has no response to tap. The most possible reason is your iPhone doesn't connect to a network. In this case, you can unlock your iPhone 7 or iPhone 7 Plus with Find My app. It requires that you have another iOS device, a Mac or an iPhone is okay. If you don't have, you can borrow one from your friends. In addition, make sure that you've enabled Find My in the setting on your locked phone. Let's continue. Here's an iPhone 13. I'm gonna use it to reset my iPhone 7 to factory settings. Open Find My app. If you're new to use Find My, in this page, you need to sign in with your Apple ID and password for the first. Tap Devices on the bottom. You can see here's a Devices option here. Swipe up. Now you can choose your unavailable iPhone 7 from the list. Once you selected, swipe up again. You can see there's an Erase this device on the bottom. Tap on it. Next, it will have a pop-up warning message to ask you if you continue to erase this iPhone, it will wipe clean everything. Tap Continue to confirm. Tap Erase option on the upper right corner, enter your Apple ID password, tap Erase again. Now look at the iPhone 7 Plus, it turns off automatically and shows the Apple logo and progress bar. When it finished loading, it will refresh again. Once it completed, you can set up your phone now. If you didn't set enabled Find My before and the Erase iPhone option doesn't work for you, you can unlock your iPhone 7 or Plus with iPhone Unlokcer from appgeeker.com on a computer. You can download it in AppGeeker official's homepage or click the link in the description part to download it. Okay, let's move on. Open it on the desktop. Click Wipe Passcode on the interface, then click Start button. In the next page, it asks you to connect your phone to the computer. Now, I'm going to connect the device to the computer by using a USB cable, but the tool cannot detect the device because the phone is locked out. Don't worry, you won't be stuck with this unavailable screen forever. Here you just need to bring your device to recovery mode to bypass the iPhone unavailable message. For iPhone 7 or Plus, keep holding the volume down button and side button together. Don't let go of the button until you see a cable point to a computer on the screen. Now your phone is in recovery mode and your device is connected to the computer successfully. Then it will jump to the next page. The tool will recognize your phone automatically. If it doesn't, you should select the information by yourself. Once you selected, click Start button. Look, it starts to download the newest iOS software for your iPhone 7 or Plus. You need to wait patiently during this process. Once it finished, it will pop up a warning message. After reading it, enter 0000, then click Unlock button. Now, it is preparing your device for the update and then installing it to your unavailable iPhone 7 or Plus. You can see there's a loading bar on your unavailable device. When it reaches to the end, your device will restart. Hello screen will appear. When going through the setup process, remember to come up with an easy-to-remember passcode or set up a Touch ID. Now your iPhone 7 or Plus is normal and won't be unavailable again. That's all for today's video. Hope this video can help you unlock your unavailable iPhone 7 or Plus successfully. If it does, please give a thumbs up and share with your friends. To learn more tech tips about iPhone, subscribe to Higospot channel. See you in the next video.